The three blue raspberries. This is what the raspberry look like.
Hi, I'm Mia. I'm Max. And this is Toby. We love exploring
These are
the
what the
world
watermelon
and want to
looks
share our
like.
discoveries with you. Come along with us as we travel the world. In Japan, people eat sweet, sticky rice.
These are what the green
Share
apple
our
looks like.
Yes, Toby. It's called mochi. Where to next? Great idea,
Area.
Toby. I'm glad I brought the camera.
These are the cherry.
Were built thousands of years ago. Please say cheese.
Yeah.
Now you can explore the world with us. Come along.
Yeah.
Visit places like the Eiffel
Alright, so
Tower
we
and
have
Statue
4
of Liberty.
different
We'll
flavors
send you a package
that I'm
in the
going to be
mail.
trying. The first one,
Souvenirs,
I'm gonna
Yo,
pick
they
this
socks.
one.
Why they ain't on the socks on?
at golittlepassports.com. We'll send you letters and stickers.
Where they t-shirts at?
Mia, the stickers are for the suitcase.
Must be 18 years or older to order. New Rubbermaid Brilliance. 100% leak-proof guarantee. Brilliance food containers from Rubbermaid.
Very
Chewy.com.
open. This is what the wrapper looks like, and this is what it looks like from the inside. It's very light.
Say one time.
Nutro, Natural Balance, Greenies, Tidy Cats, Purina
Um,
Pro Plan, and more. Everything you need for your pet at amazing prices.
sour.
Plus 1 to 2 day shipping. You heard it right. The brands you love at
Very
prices you love.
light, like
Visit Chewy.com now
Granny
and save
Smith.
20% on
Kind of
your
like
first
Granny
order.
Smith. I don't
Are
know.
you tired of spending all that money on paper holiday cards? JimDad.com has hundreds of original cards to choose from. From the traditional to the hilarious to the outrageous. Create your own card at JimDad.com.
The new Beepo Learning Lights Dance Mat.
Had
It's an interactive way to get your
extra
little
layer
movement
like
shaker
his,
going. It's motion
of light
activated so it knows where baby is playing. Plus lights, music, and games
I
make
give
it fun
this,
to learn the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s.
I give this a
The
4.
Beepo Learning Lights Dance Mat. The dance machine for your dance
It's
machine.
not that good.
Only from Fisher Price for the
I'll give it
best
a
possible
3,
start.
but a 4.
Sprout, free to grow.
This one is cherry.
Okay.
Cherry, so
A Sprout Jam.
this smells so good. This is what the wrapper looks like. This is what it looks like from the outside. From the inside. This one tastes like cough medicine.
And now back to more Sprouts. Hi, Sproutlets. Tonight we're on a parents' adventure.
Yep. And parents, it's fun to say. It's
Positive. And parents are loads of fun too. One way parents take care of their Sproutlets is by playing with them. Parents play games with their Sproutlets, read them stories, play outside, and do all kinds of fun things together. And there are 2 special days when we celebrate just how wonderful they are.
Oh yeah, Mother's Day and Father's Day.
See, Star, and here is a card with a poem to celebrate your parents on Mother's Day or Father's Day or any special day. I wish you a
The
happy
cherry
day,
tastes like
my
cough medicine.
wonderful Father.
So I'll give it a 2.
That sounds like hugs. Do they mean the same thing, Nina?
I really didn't like that, so
Almost. Actually,
the
Padre
cherry I
is
won't be
parents and Padre
like
is
willing to
father.
eat that all day.
Oh,
But
Padre,
between,
father.
but I don't know what these
wish
two are
you a
gonna taste
happy
like.
day,
But I know they're
my
gonna.
wonderful
I will
Padre.
be like kind of
Celebrate
willing to
in
eat that
every
all
way
day.
my amazing Padre.
So we have pink,
Does that
we have
mean
watermelon,
mom?
and blue raspberry.
Mommy, or Madre, means mother.
Left.
Madre? Mommy.
So let's
Oh, I
pick.
get it. It sounds like mommy.
And on your special day,
Watermelon.
I
I have a
say,
feeling that
thank
watermelon is
you,
gonna
Padre.
taste down.
Yeah, me
Like
too.
gonna,
Thank you, Padre.
if it tastes nasty, I'm gonna give it a 1.
Padre's really hot.
Sorry. So this is what the
They
wrapper
sure
looks
are.
like, and this is
Thank you
what
for sharing that.
it kind of looks like red.
And now I'll
So
show
this
you
is
how
what
to
it looks
sign
like from the
parents
inside.
using sign language.
Daddy, where's they
Sign
going?
language is a real language
They're
where
going
you use your
home.
hands to
They
communicate.
going home, Daddy?
I'll do the sign, and then you can try. The word
I wish
parents
they
in
could
sign
stay.
language looks like this. Parents. You just open your hand, and then touch your thumb to your chin, and then your forehead. Parents. Now let's all try it together. Parents. Sproutlets. I hope you're having a great good night on our parents adventure.
Way to sign, Sproutlets.
I see a twinkle in the sky, and it means our good friend Lucy is nearby.
Just when I thought our good night couldn't get any better. Here's Lucy.
Who's come to play?
So I give the watermelon
Come on, Lucy, tell us, who
a
is
5.
it?
Yeah.
I'll be willing to eat
Hi,
that.
Nina.
That.
Your friend Stella.
So,
Let's go on a good
yeah,
night
I'm
adventure.
the crab.
I don't know.
Yeah. My word, let me get that. Word, what you doing? Yeah, you on this side, you down the left? Yeah. Alright, listen, let me finish what I'm doing real quick. I'm gonna call you back in like 10 minutes. Come on, nice.
Sam's Ford.
So this is what it looked. I had to like a little tear. I had to tear this part. So this is what it looks like from the outside. That was the wrapper.
Come and see
Got
what
the
I
wood.
made.
I have a feeling that this is gonna be good.
This is
But
our
the last,
secret
the
drawer.
fourth one that
There
I
will
mean,
be safe
the third one that I
hiding
ate,
with us.
it's kind of off
Thank you,
limits.
Sarah Fred.
I'll eat like kind of hot breath.
Our roof is going down again, Fred. We need
This one
something
tastes
to
exactly
make
like
it
icy.
stay pushed up. Yeah, it is slow work, Fred.
Open the door for me, come on.
Okay,
Hey, Fred, get
I'll be
ready
back.
for